Picture a crowded, dimly lit conference hall. A figure spots you, smiles, and steps directly into your path, hand extended. You recognize the face, but the details, like their name, where you met, your last conversation, are completely blank. You brace yourself for a highly guarded, awkward interaction. The tech industry anticipates solving this specific memory gap with augmented reality smart glasses equipped with facial recognition. This diagram shows the Meta name tag concept. It sweeps public spaces with continuous scanning lines to identify every single person in the room. To operate, the system must cross-reference these faces against massive, centralized public cloud databases and social networks. That architecture requires continuous public surveillance. It tracks anonymous people without their consent. We want the memory support to connect with our peers, but right now, getting it requires accepting a surveillance state. An alternative approach defines the core function of these glasses as relationship intelligence, a departure from broad facial recognition. In this logic diagram, the system ignores strangers. It only matches contacts already saved in your phone. Furthermore, the recognition software runs entirely offline, securely contained in a closed loop between the glasses and your mobile phone. Zero personal data or imagery ever uploads to external cloud servers. Because the data never leaves the device, the user retains absolute, granular control over what information appears and exactly when it becomes visible. By removing the cloud connection and eliminating stranger identification, the technology functions as a trusted, private tool rather than a public threat. Knowing a name provides little utility without immediate historical context. This animated model maps how the local system pulls isolated streams directly from personal emails, calendars, and text messages. The central processor organizes these inputs chronologically, servicing the date of your last meeting, recent topics, and upcoming scheduled events. In a professional networking scenario, like this boardroom, a busy executive discreetly reviews a client's past project details seconds before a handshake. Inside large organizations, team members navigate complex corporate hierarchies by instantly recalling coworkers and past internal communications. At loud reunions or busy community gatherings, the wearable technology discreetly aids individuals who naturally struggle to remember faces, bringing quiet confidence to the interaction. This system surfaces the relationship context that defines why a person matters to you. Let's reset that exact same conference hall encounter. This time, the private local system verifies the face against your contacts. A split second before the panic sets in, the name and historical context appear in your peripheral vision. You address them by name and ask about the project you discussed last month. The interaction is smooth, warm, and executed with total confidence. While the public surveillance model attempts to catalog the world, this localized architecture focuses on deepening existing human relationships. By enforcing a local-first, private-by-design architecture, we can use wearable technology to enhance our human connections without surrendering our right to privacy.